friends, today we are going to be opening up Cassian's water table that his great-grandparents got him for his birthday, which was back in February, but it has been a little bit on the cold side here in Virginia, and it just, this weekend, it was like over 90 degrees, so we thought it would be a good time to bring it out. So it's been in our shed, so I'm gonna unbox it and have my husband Will put it together. We honestly don't know what we're doing, so I'll show you guys. Well, I'll probably just let you know how easy and how long it took us to set it up. And then we'll of course let Cassian test it out and see how he likes it. So without further ado, let's go outside. Will and baby Cassian, who is a little bit over a year old, so they're waiting for me outside. So let's go and open up this new water table toy. And also, I believe this was from Amazon, so I will link it if I can find it. So you'll have to kind of push hard to get it in there, but not too hard.
Is it in yet?
Yeah, since Will's doing it, you can probably do it too. So we're done setting it up. I think it took like maybe 30 minutes.
Just about.
I thought it was just going to be a bunch of plastic pieces clicking in together, but there was actually a lot of screws. So once it's put together, it's kind of hard to disassemble. You just pretty much have to unscrew it. So this is going to be a stick.
Screw that.
Oh my god. So yeah, we're going to be using this all summer, so I don't mind that it's locked in place and then we know it's secure. And Cassian's obviously not gonna use the higher part because he's too short for it. He'll probably just splash around in the water table part, the lower part. And then it came with a lot of accessories. And then once he is able to play up here, he can dump water in here and then cause like all this water to flow, cascade.
For a cast.
But he's a little preoccupied with his splash pad. Just his height.
Water table, water table. I guess we could have moved it to like where you can access all sides.
Oh yeah, true.
You want
Do you give him his flower trowel?
Yeah.
And eventually I think we can put like some soap in there to jazz it up.
Bubbles.
I think he likes it.
Yeah.
Is it cool? Nope.
Oh, hi, Minnie. Nice of you to show up once all the work's done. They don't have any pentagrams on this one. All the babies love me. All done, having fun in the sun. Yeah, recording. What do you think, little guy? Huh? Yeah. Too much water in here.
You like it? Whee! Whee! Good job. Good job, yeah. Some serious water play right here. So I would consider this an extreme success. He is playing with it right now. He seems to love it, and we've been out here for like 30 minutes and he is still very interested, and I can see him growing with it and learning like the different little accessories and compartments that came with it and using the top layer or the top table. So this is definitely, I think he's going to be able to use it until he's like 5 or 6 or even older than that, and we have another little one on the way due in July, so we'll get a lot of use out of this. So I'm so happy we got this. Thanks to the GGs for giving this to Cassian. But yeah, so assembly was easy-ish. Some parts needed like 2 people, but it wasn't too bad. It's not gonna be easily stored. You can't just pop it off. But for fun-wise, it's definitely a 10 out of 10. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love it if you would subscribe, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and then I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Say bye.
Cassian, say bye. 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 All right,
Stare.
back to play. Back to play.
Stare.
You wanna keep playing?
Here, here, here.
Oh, look at him! He's putting it in the bucket.
Oh yeah. It's pretty good. Very flavorful.
Good job.
It's mine, Cass.
Yep.
Get away.
It's also adult approved.